Well, here for Yenuanum Nigeria for a bedroom Ghana sinitra for mobile yeno, and rather our press conference now say Jumedia no matuni say a country called Ghana move ya ebasono, Yankuni Kotie sem Nibia, one bedroom yen sama omuri two jano, Yankuni Kotie bi.
Father, we thank you for today because we know that from the beginning of the day, even that the thing like this will come. We pray for your blessing. We pray for your hand upon this project. We thank you for our guests. We thank you for the media. We thank you for our friends. We thank you for everyone. We commit everything to your hands, O God. May your mighty hand, O God, be with us. And oh God, your power lead us so we see the success of this production. We thank you in Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. We'll put your hands together for Reverend Danny Danto. Wow! Today is such a delight. I'm super excited to be here, and I'm sure you are as well. In the opening chapter of my motivation, remember what you said there. The various aspects of the practice space that has turned out to be a battlefield for the Ghana Nigeria economy. In connection with football, it seems to be a battle of competition. Music, it seems to be a battle of competition. Even food seems to be a battle of competition. But here we are gathered here for the purposes of one side of the critical sector, which is Kofi. And this has been made possible by the team from Wisdom for management of Wisdom. They've got the whole of Ghana from its creating national conversation. On that note, I want to welcome everyone to this space. A special acknowledgement going out to every industry person over here. I wanted to try speaking some Yoruba, but I didn't want to risk it, so I'll go by the pidgin to acknowledge our fraternity icons from the other side. And so I think if I say, I'm told that if I say area, there is a response to it, or it's not area. Area. Thank you very much. And so like I said, we already know the rationale behind this very event, but for the purposes of formality, help me welcome, of course, the PR person or head for VCF and the person of Achame. But before Achame comes, let's be welcomed officially, but of course, Mr. Epiyan Fossey, put your hands together for him. This is yes. That's original, right?
Media for any specific for you cut the message across and you cut the message across. And then the police so about with the empire, with the aircraft. Now, I welcome you all to Ghana. I know we will have a program on the and then the special one goes to Mr. and Kansa, the people, they almost have the catholic. A book. Now, I'm young to work fast and the producer. Oye, to do that, Ghana movie industry, paper, land, life. Ghana movie. Example, being charged for the teacher, getting us a movie. I spoke with my at the airport. It's not at the airport of Seattle. I've seen it at the airport.
Round of applause for one of ladies and
Oh, put your hands together. The legend is here. Ghana, I greet you.
We greet you too.
Nollywood in Ghana, I greet you.
We respond to you.
Ghana Wood people, I greet you.
You are welcome.
May you live long.
Till you live long.
All right, first of all, I want to appreciate Ghana for receiving us. We'll be having fun, we'll be having a lot of other things. In fact, it's exciting to be here. I think this is the first time I'm experiencing this kind of reception. Wonderful reception from the airport in Accra. From that point again, we came into Kumasi. The enjoyment and the reception, in fact, I can't quantify it. We came for a purpose, and that purpose we must fulfill it. I don't want you to be biased about the casting. I don't want you to be biased about Lil Wayne bringing Nigerian artists. Entertainment has gone global. And if you want the people to really enjoy your story, if you want the people to know about their history, if you want the people to know about your culture, your religion, everything about you is through entertainment. When we were a little bit small, what happened in those days is we know America through film. Is that not true? Yes. When we watch their film, we say, nah, America too powerful, man. So these guys are wonderful. Most of us have not even traveled to America, but we know America through their works. So if we really want to project our history, if we really want to let the world know about our stories, about our culture, our food, everything is filmmaking. Because entertainment has no bar. If you want to entertain yourself, shoot by yourself here, which means you are not at all making any effort to let the world know about your history. And today, the young man called Lil Wayne has broken that gene. Lil Wayne, yes, Lil Wayne. Anything whether that's Lil Wayne or Lil Wayne, there's win in it. There's win in it, is that not true?
Yes.
So let's give the man credit, because it's not easy to bring people outside, especially Nigerians. Bringing people like Charles Aworom, bringing people like Ramsey Noah, and bringing Mumu like me, Victor.
Dwumadie ni nyina ba na wie no directors any movie producers ye nyina hia ye nsɛmtwerɛfo ahohofo nyina ba ye no wɔn bie kwan ɛma wɔn ne Nigeria actors Ramsey Noah ne titirifo ba dwumadie na se nyina no etwitwa mfoni eye video to nsa kyerɛkyerɛ wɔn na ye fe yie papapa sa dwumadie se wɔn mabia na wayɛ ho yie papapa enti a country called Ghana eye movie kɛse a ɛba so sɛdeɛ wɔn ma kwan ama adɔfo ne adɔfo hia ye kyerɛkyerɛ ye ho no ɔrɔfo na ɛfɛ kora kɛkɛ enti ye bɔ Nigeria fo na aba so sanso na ye bɔ Ghana fo no so aba so sɛ wɔn timi aboa ama de fɛfɛ sɛ ɛba